In this video, we will guide you through how to use the Motive Card and how to maximize its savings and benefits for you and your company. The Motive Card is a convenient and powerful tool designed to simplify your payments and fueling experiences. Cardholders can use it anywhere that MasterCard is accepted, and this card is more than just a fuel card. It offers convenience and ease of use for all purchases allowed by your fleet. That means no more worries about handling cash, managing paper receipts, or seeking reimbursements on non-fuel expenses like maintenance or rentals. The Motive Card provides discounts on fuel, maintenance, and more. When you use your card to purchase fuel, transaction information is captured electronically and includes data like when and where you purchased and what you bought. The Motive Card also uses data from the vehicle gateway to provide robust fraud protection no other card can. This comes on top of MasterCard fraud protection and additional proprietary abilities to flag and report fraud to the fleet manager. This fraud protection data prevents fleets from needing to estimate miles per gallon to detect fraud, protecting drivers from being falsely blamed for theft. You can use the Motive Card like a regular credit card, within spend category controls, time constraints, and amount limits set up by your fleet manager. Some fuel providers will have pump limits of $500, but others allow higher limits, like Love's Travel Stops, which goes up to $999. To fill more than the pump limit, simply start a new transaction when you hit the limit. When prompted for an AVS code or a zip code, please make sure you are entering your company's zip code. You can also find this in the Motive Driver app under the Motive Card section. In store, request that the card be keyed in as a credit card, not a fleet card, when prompted. If a location doesn't have a chip card reader, you'll need to swipe the magnetic strip. If you lose your card or it's stolen, report it to the fleet admin so they can deactivate the card to avoid unauthorized access. In some instances, to protect from theft, the fleet admin will set up fraud controls, which will keep your card locked by default until you unlock it. You can use the driver app on your smartphone or a normal SMS text message to unlock the card. To unlock in the driver app, simply tap to unlock and confirm the last 4 digits of your card. To unlock with a text message, text the last 4 digits of the card from your registered phone number to the Motive phone number. Once unlocked, the card is available to use for 30 minutes. This unlock process ensures that the cardholder has authorized any purchases, eliminating fraud from scammers and confirming that purchase was intentional by the cardholder. To help track expenses across vehicles and improve security, your fleet manager may require vehicle ID when unlocking the card. Once enabled, you'll need to go to the Card Hub on the driver app to specify the vehicle that you are driving. However, if you are already connected to the vehicle gateway, the vehicle info will be captured automatically. Your fleet admin might have set up spend controls. For example, your card might be set up for fuel and travel expenses or fuel only and under certain dollar limits. Otherwise, the Motive Card is generally accepted anywhere MasterCard is, though your card may have restrictions based on fleet manager controls or your company's agreement with Motive. When you use your Motive Card at Motive's network of thousands of partner locations, you can save on fuel, maintenance, and more. Save an average of 20 cents per gallon on diesel at Tier 1 partners including Love's and TA Petro. Other fuel partners include Casey's, Yesway, Road Ranger, and a number of independent stations. And the partner list is constantly expanding. You automatically get discounts when you use your Motive Card at partner fuel stations. These discounts will not show up on your receipt, but cardholders will see them in the Motive Driver app under the Transactions History section in the Cards Hub once the transaction moves from pending to posted. Motive also has a network of partners where you can save on maintenance and tires. For more details on Motive Card partners and discounts, reach out to your fleet manager. If your card gets declined, you can view the reason for decline on your driver app under the Cards section or via text message. This explanation of the decline will help you understand why the card was declined so you can fix it for the next attempt. You can see your card details in your driver app, including when and where you can use it, dollar limits, and transaction history. You can also use it to contact support if needed. Make sure to use your Motive Card next time you are fueling up.